This tutorial will take you through the steps of creating a club profile. First, you need to sign up as the club page manager. If you already have a profile, click on Sign In and sign in with your current account. Once you're on your home page, hover over your profile and scroll down to create a new profile. If you have not yet made an account, continue to create your profile. Fill in all your personal details: name, surname, email address, and password. Make sure to accept the conditions before signing in. Once you have a profile, select Club. Fill in the club name, logo, country in which the club is situated, and phone number. Don't worry, once you have a club profile created, you can have multiple people managing and running the club page. Press Submit. You will now be directed to the dashboard. Click on General Information. Add the cover photo and the description of the club. Select in which division your men and women play and enter the location of your club. The more information you display, the more credible your club page will be. Add in your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram URL. Click Save before moving on. Click on Dashboard and then add your references. Choose references that believe in the success of your club. Media is there to add videos and photos to make your page more appealing. Add the YouTube video link and then add the name. Achievements is where you can showcase the club history. Add the name, the type, start and end date of the event. You can add as many achievements as you want. One of the greatest advantages for clubs is adding a vacancy. It is a detailed description of an exact player-coach profile you would like to find. Be sure to add the position, level, skills, and the application opening and closing dates. Select all the benefits you will receive through the position. Each category has a space to add a description. Click Save and head back to the dashboard. Your sponsors are an important part of your success. Show them to the world on your club profile. This is a designated space for hockey brands and other brands. Add the logo, the name, and the link to their website. Now go ahead and add all your members. Add the first team. Now add all the players. The players need to be Scorrd members, so make sure you tell all your members to sign up. Applications is a space in which you will find anyone that applied for the vacancy that you shared. If you would like to apply for sponsorship, this is where you can contact brands on the platform directly with a motivation. Now you can share your club profile with the world. Don't forget to encourage all your members to sign up.